What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the 3-card giveaway that I just decided to add. I'm going to go and get the current time here in Dartmouth so we can do one timestamp. Whatever loads. Okay. We are live at 5:56 p.m. 5:56. So guys, I'm going to go, everybody gets a shot at this, no matter if you have 3 spots. Like I said, all the 3 spot holders, you get $10 break credit, no matter what. Ugh, that's going to be annoying. Actually, you know what? I think I have it on a page. No, I do not. Alright, well, bear with me, guys. Skip towards the end. I just got to make sure there's no spaces. Alright, there we go. 30 teams, no spaces in between. We're going to go 3 times, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. Marty, have yourself a break, guy. Marty, you get the middle stat and the able and Frantisic. I know I'm pronouncing your name wrong. I'm sorry, buddy. You're getting the Kairu Future Watch auto. Again, thanks, guys. Have a good one.